Hello everyone. Hi. Hello all. Good evening. Hello, good evening everyone. How are you? Hello Dimple ji. Hello Praveen ji. Hello Pooja ji. Can someone pin my number? I am unable to pin my number. Can you please help me out? Hello Pooja ji. Hello Soumya ji. Hello. Hi all. Hello Kiran ji. Thank you for joining everyone. Hi. Okay, so for the ones who don't know, I guess many of you know. The ones who don't know, this is Monica from Ethnic BFFs Delhi. पूजा जी आज हम दिखाने वाले हैं आपको सूट फैब्रिक्स एंड रेडीमेड, मोस्टली रेडीमेड वेयर सूट फैब्रिक्स, लिमिटेड एंड एक्सक्लूसिव डिजाइन्स बस, एंड मोस्टली रेडीमेड वेयर रहेगा. Okay, so this is Monica from Ethnic BFFs, and to order you can take screenshot. Hello Shaheen ji. To order you can take screenshot and WhatsApp us on the two given numbers. That is, hi Surbhi ji. Hello. Hello Khushbu ji. Hello ji. Hello Raiz ji. So you have to take a screenshot and you have to WhatsApp us on the given numbers. Hello Jyoti ji. And shipping below 1500 will be 80. Above 1500 if you buy anything, it will be the shipping will be free. Hello Manpreet ji. Hello. So there are many people who are already our existing customers, so thank you for joining everyone. So the rule is the same. Basically the only thing which we won't be able to give you this particular time is the free gift, the assured gift which we give you on purchase of 3000 or above. Because of the lockdown we are unable to manage nice goodies for you, because we always give some unique jewelry or some different jewelry to you as an assured gift. Hello Varsha ji. Hello Rimjim ji. Hello. Hello Mukul ji. So we won't be able to do that, but yes, you will get very great designs, and shipping will be 80 rupees. Below 1500 and above 1500 it will be free. And one more thing, please just want to clarify, जिसको भी sizes में दिक्कत हो रही है, and for the ones who are not able to understand clearly, आपको screenshot लेके हमें दो numbers दिए हैं, उन्हें उन पे WhatsApp करना है. हेलो विजया जी. उन पे WhatsApp करना है एंड अपने पीसेस बुक करने हैं. COD अवेलेबल नहीं है. कोई भी ऑनलाइन मोड ऑफ पेमेंट सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. पेटीएम, गूगल पे, फोन पे, बैंक ट्रांसफर, एनीथिंग सब कुछ अवेलेबल है. साइज की जिसको भी प्रॉब्लम होती है डिसाइड करने में, आई जस्ट स्टार्ट पूजा मैम, आई जस्ट टेक 1 मिनट, क्योंकि बहुत सी लेडीज हैं जिनको साइज इश्यूज हो जाते हैं एंड साइज के लिए हम चेंज नहीं करते हैं. तो जस्ट टू क्लैरिफाई, आई जस्ट टेक 1 मिनट टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द कुर्ता. तो आपकी मेजरमेंट आप कैसे मेजर करेंगे, ये जैसे इंची टेप है, ठीक है. यहाँ एग्जैक्टली आर्म होल, दिस इज द आर्म होल स्टार्टिंग, ये बिल्कुल आर्म होल के नीचे जो लाइन है वहां से लेके आप नेक्स्ट आर्म होल के नीचे तक ये आप मेजर करेंगे. दिस इज द बस्ट साइज. इफ आई एम क्लियर टू यू, दिस इज द बस्ट साइज. तो आप ये चीज मेजर करके अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस करेंगे. Hello Anchal ji, my name is Monica. I'm from Ethnic BFFs Delhi. Hello Anchal ji, I'm sure you will like our designs. So basically this is how you measure, एंड प्लीज प्लेस योर ऑर्डर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द बस्ट साइज. आज हम जो भी पीसेस दिखाएंगे अगर उसमें एस एम एल ये सब की भी टैग्स हैं, उसके भी हमने बस्ट साइज मेजर किए हैं और वो स्पेसिफाई करेंगे हम कि अगर एस साइज है तो एस कितना बस्ट साइज है उस पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन में. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्लेस योर ऑर्डर्स ताकि आपको भी आसानी हो एंड साइज चेंज की और ये सब की दिक्कत ना आए. ओके, फर्स्ट we'll start with just we have like 4 to 5 designs of suit fabrics. सिर्फ वो हम 4-5 पीसेस एक्सक्लूसिव आपको दिखाएंगे. उसके बाद में we'll move on to the ready-mades. Yes मैम, 45-46 साइजेस में भी है, सब कुछ है. Just a few 4 to 5 suit fabrics first. Our first piece, this is a suit fabric on pure muslin. ये बिल्कुल प्योर मसलिन पे है. हेलो फरजाना जी एंड रितु जी. दिस इज ऑन प्योर मसलिन. बहुत अच्छा डिफरेंट फैब्रिक, वेरी रिच. आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो व्हाट मसलिन्स आर. तो दिस विल बी द टैसल्स ऑन द नेक. वेरी ब्यूटिफुल शेड. येस मैम, वी हैव होम कंफर्ट वेयर ऑल्सो. वी विल बी शोइंग रेडीमेड्स, एवरीथिंग होम कंफर्ट वेयर ऑल्सो. हेलो संगीता जी. So a very bright shade, a very different summerish color, floral design. This will be the whole leaf print on it. Pure muslin piece. This will be the dupatta. This is on pure chiffon with the same floral lace on it. Thank you Meenakshi ji. So it means so much. It means so much. Thank you Meenakshi ji. So this will be the dupatta on pure chiffon, right? This is a muslin piece. These will be the tassels on it and a shantoon bottom. Shantoon, same color, plain bottom with it. Okay, the price for this muslin suit is 2600. Free shipping obviously because shipping is free above 1500. 2100 and we have two colors in this. These are pure muslin pieces. Pure muslin pieces. One is sky blue. Hello Jansi ji. Ma'am, gifting के लिए I'm so sorry. This time we don't have anything because of lockdown. We'll definitely be back with our assured gifts above 3000. So these are the two colors. 2600 will be the price. These are on pure muslin. Extremely soft fabric. Extremely soft fabric. Okay, you can take the screenshots. Please WhatsApp us on the given numbers. And ma'am, I am unable to pin my number. My number is 8800988288 if you want to purchase now. क्योंकि हमारे pieces by God's grace and your love and support बहुत जल्दी stock out हो जाते हैं. So you can place your orders during the live on 8800988288. Thank you Jansi ji. And another number is 9999714077. Oh, the last time one, no, we haven't restocked it yet ma'am. I'm just sending my number again. If any of my clients, my customers, if you can help the other people out who have just joined, I'll be very very grateful. So that you know we can show the pieces to you quickly. Now this is a piece on pure cotton suit fabric, just 4 suit fabrics, and then we'll move on to ready-mades. So this is the yoke. This yoke has this beautiful different gota designing, thread work and mirror work. Very bright shade, very very bright shade, and the whole cotton kurta has this lining and mirror work. The whole kurta has it, the same mirror work and linings. This will be the daman of the suit. Very very beautiful gota work here and a very beautiful pure bandhej dupatta. This is a pure bandhej dupatta with these tassels. These will be the tassels. Ma'am, this will be first time. You can always go for easy wash or dry wash because of the colors. For the previous one, 2600 ma'am, 2600. So this is a pure bandhej dupatta with tassels, and the bottom will be this. This will be the bottom. A very, very different piece. We have two more colors in this. I'll just show you. This is dark green. This is the same base with red. Okay. You can take the screenshots and you can WhatsApp us. Please mention the colors which you want. And another one is maroon. The same base and maroon. This is red, the previous one, and this is maroon. Okay. So the price for this is 1750. 1750 pure bandhej dupatta. Beautiful tassels, pure cotton piece. Now the third design, lavender shade, again on pure muslin. This is again pure muslin, a very, very beautiful yoke, all handwork. If you can see clearly, this is all handwork here, and this is all Kashmiri thread work, all thread work here. So beautiful design. I guess the shine and everything, the fabric is clear to you. This will be the beautiful daman, all chicken curry work. Beautiful daman here of the kurta. This is a semi-stitched piece, and please check the beautiful chiffon dupatta. Beautiful chiffon dupatta with the same chicken curry work. This one. This is the whole thread work, a pure chiffon dupatta. Very, very beautiful piece. Shantoon, matching shantoon bottom. It's a lavender shade muslin suit. Beautiful handwork here. बिल्कुल पक्के हैं जी मैम, हम हर चीज में पक्के ही हैं, कलर भी पक्के हैं, सब कुछ पक्का है. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. Quality will be extremely, extremely good. Okay, so this piece is for 2800. 2800. Okay, so this will be the piece. Beautiful piece, different shade, only single color. Ma'am, number if you want to buy now, 8800988288. One last piece on pure muslin again. This is again pure muslin. This is can someone please help Kusum ji? Can someone please give our numbers to Kusum ji, please? So this is the yoke. It has all zari work and thread work, and this button pattern. This is again a muslin piece. This is a muslin piece. This is the kurta. The bottom is again shantoon bottom, and a very, very beautiful dupatta, a floral dupatta with the same zari work. It's a cut work dupatta. Hello Madhuji, my name is Monica. We are from Ethnic BFFs Delhi. Okay, so this is the zari bootas on the dupatta. A very, very beautiful design. Very beautiful design. It has all zari work, zari bootas, and on one side of the dupatta also. Okay, so shades I'll just show you. Shades, one is this yellow matching contrast red, pink dupatta actually. This is pink, and one more is pink kurta and yellow dupatta. So different combinations here on pure muslin. Price is just 1795, 1795. Semi-stitched pieces 1795. Dark pink, same work on the dupatta and bootas. So two shades in this, 1795 will be the price. Hello Deepika ji. Now we'll move on to ready-mades. So first, as Ajrak is very much in nowadays. So this is an Ajrak kurta set. Guys, please, if you don't want pieces to get sold out, you can book now on 8800988288. And okay ma'am, Kusum ji, I'll just share it for you and everyone else also. So we have two numbers, 8800988288 and 9999714077. Hello Deepika ji. So this is a beautiful kurta set on Ajrak print. This is an Ajrak print kurta. Okay, these will be the button pattern here. This is a beautiful handwork and gota work, if you can see. Ma'am, this is a ready-made suit, semi-stitched. We have already finished showing you. Thank you, Molly ji. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Thank you. So this is the piece, okay, and this will be the whole work. Beautiful Ajrak print. The pant is also on Ajrak. It's a contrast pant here. A beautiful combination. Now this also has this Ajrak print. The pant has also Ajrak print on it, and there will be a matching mask with it, matching with the kurta. Okay, so a two-piece set, you can wear it at home or anywhere outside. Beautiful classy design on Ajrak. Beautiful work on yoke. It has got subtle work on yoke here. The price for this is 1050 only. 1050. 38 to 44 will be the sizes. You can take the screenshot. 38 to 44. Okay. This will be the pant. 1050 only. Next we move on to this. We had sky blue color in this last time. Now this time we have this dark blue, navy blue you can say. मैम सुरभि जी जो वेयर किया है वो भी आएगा. कुसुम जी आप प्लीज नोट डाउन कीजिए 9999714077. Our shop is in Delhi. And 8800988288. Now this is a beautiful cotton kurta. Beautiful cotton kurta with this pittan work here. This is all pittan work. Okay, and this pittan dupatta bootas on the yoke. The yoke has this beautiful bootas, and this will be the sleeve with gota lining and the same pittan work here. You can take the screenshots and WhatsApp it to us. WhatsApp numbers are already given on the description and also in the comment section. Okay, so this is a beautiful kurta on dark blue. This base is dark blue actually, and a very premium handloom cotton pant. You can say this is linen cotton or handloom cotton if it is clear to you. This will be the fabric. It's a thick premium cotton fabric, and a beautiful matching mask with it. This will be the matching mask with it. Price for this 1195. 1195 will be the price for this. Size S to XXL. S in this is 38. इसमें S size 38 बस size है, तो आप 38 से 46 तक इसकी बुकिंग कर सकते हैं. S to XXL, S M L XL XXL. Okay, beautiful shade. Two-piece set, kurta set. Kurta. Now this is a piece on pure cotton again. Pure cotton, bandhej. COD nahi hai ma'am. Our shop is in Shahadra, Delhi. There are no margins in the kurta set. इसलिए different sizes दिए हैं because there are no margins. You can buy it according to your bust size. Okay. So this is a beautiful two-dye basically. It's a combination of light and dark green. It has a beautiful work on the yoke. It's all zari work here. I hope the work is very, very clear to you. Okay, so this is a kurta on bandhej. This will be the sleeves, a very pretty design, different shade, and this will be the pant with it. This will be the pant. The pant also has the same lining, gota lining and print. Ma'am, that was khadi cotton only. The ajrak print which we showed, that is actually khadi cotton fabric. So this will be the pant. The whole kurta is on bandhej with this beautiful zari bootas. Zari bootas all over the kurta. This will be the daman. Beautiful gota linings on the daman. And a pure chiffon dupatta. It's a pure chiffon dupatta with these tassels. Okay, so very, very bright piece again. Matching mask, matching bandhej mask with it. 3-piece set, pure chiffon dupatta with gota linings and tassel. This is the gota lining and tassel. 3-piece set, 1495 will be the price. You can take the screenshots. 1495. Sizes are S to XXL. S in this is 38 bust size. S to XXL. So basically 38 to 46 available in this particular design. Okay. Now moving on to the next. Disconnect Jyoti ji. I'm sorry, I'm unable to read all the messages. Am I getting disconnected? Am I clear to you? Is the audio and video clear to you? Can someone help? Is the audio and video clear to you all? Hello? Can someone help? Yeah. Thank you, Deepa ji. Thank you. So now this is a particular piece on muslin. This is a pure muslin piece, ready-made wear. Thank you, Aditi ji. Thank you, Ankita ji. Thank you, Kriti ji. So this is a piece on pure muslin. Thank you, Rimjim ji. A beautiful work on yoke. Beautiful work on yoke, different shade, maroon shade. This is all mirror work here. All mirror work and nalki work. So a beautiful yoke with this thread work. This is all thread work. Okay. And a very beautiful print. Very beautiful and bright print. This will be the lehriya kind of bottom. Again, this is also muslin. The pant is also muslin. Thank you everyone. No COD ma'am. This is also muslin. Pure muslin piece. Okay. It's a pure muslin piece. Very beautiful work on yoke. Only 2 sizes we have in this. 38 to 42. 2 sizes. 1450 will be the price. Thank you Sujata ji. 1450 will be the price for pure muslin kurta set. Beautiful design, beautiful work on yoke and a very, very bright piece. Okay, this lehriya bottom. 1450. Please send us queries only for the sizes which we are mentioning, 38 and 42. 2 sizes are available in this. Now this is a pure cotton piece. A pure cotton piece with this gota and thread work here. Gota work and thread work on yoke. You can easily carry it at home or outside anywhere. It's all block print here. This is hand block. And this is the bootas on the yoke. Okay. And these will be the sleeves with gota lining. Okay, so a very, very soft cotton piece. Full size cotton dupatta. It's a full size cotton dupatta. Okay, same matching the stripes which we have in the dupatta and the mask. So the same matching pant. This is the pant, striped pant. It's a 3-piece set on pure cotton. Only 1350 will be the price for this. 38 to 46 size available. 38 to 46. Thank you Pratishtha ji. Thank you Ranjum ji. Hello Pratishtha ji. So this is a 3-piece set, 1350, pure cotton. Very different shade. Bright one actually, summerish. And 38 to 46 sizes, 1350. Okay. Shipping below 1500 is only 80 rupees. 1350 was the price for the sky blue one. Now this is a piece on pure muslin. A piece on pure muslin. Okay. Same pitton work here. Very different pitton work. It's a bandhej print. Pure muslin kurta. Pure muslin kurta. Here are the bootas. So the whole kurta, the yoke and the kurta has this pitton work, and the whole kurta has this gold print on it. A touch of gold print on it. Pure muslin piece. This is a pure muslin bottom with it. Maroon shade bandhej type bottom. This is all bandhej. Again this fabric is pure muslin, and a beautiful chiffon dupatta with it. This is the dupatta. This is the dupatta, pure chiffon, and if you can see, this is the work on the dupatta. This is the thread work here on dupatta. Ma'am, baby pink mein we have beautiful anarkali and kurta set. Just stay tuned, we'll show you everything. So it's a pure chiffon dupatta with all bootas here. All bootas here. 3-piece set on pure muslin. Extremely rich, bright shade. This is the pant. You can take the screenshot. 1650 will be the price for this. 1650. Size M, XL and XXL. M is 38. So we have 38, 42 and 44 in this. 1650. Pure muslin piece. Pure muslin pant and kurta and pure chiffon dupatta. This. Okay. Now we have one exclusive piece on pure muslin again. Exclusive piece on pure muslin. A very bright magenta shade here. A very bright magenta shade. This is a pure muslin piece. Beautiful gota work and handwork here. Beautiful gota work and handwork. Okay. It's on bandhej. The color is exactly what we are showing here. This will be the sleeve. Yellow cotton, we'll show you whatever we have, ma'am. So this is on pure muslin. It's a stitched piece. Stitched mein hi hai ye. This will be the daman. Generally ऐसे shades semi stitched या fabrics में आते हैं. This is a stitched piece. It has a stole dupatta. This is the gota, and this is all small gota touchings here. This is all gota touchings. It is not stone. Okay, so it is all gota touching, and this will be the tassel on the dupatta. Okay, so it's a stole dupatta, pure muslin piece, and please look at the pant here. It's a wide skirt actually. It's a skirt with this. A skirt here again on muslin, and this will be the lace at the bottom of the skirt. Okay, this will be the skirt and the kurta. So a very bright piece on magenta. Price for this is 3350. 3350. Only 2 sizes, L and XXL available. Pure muslin 3-piece set with skirt. This is the skirt. Okay, so this will be the whole look. This will be the whole look of it. 3350, L and XXL. People like M size, you can alter it a bit, and XL people also can alter it a bit. No problem. Okay, so we have 2 sizes in that pink. Now this is a kurta set. The ones who wanted daily wear but different pieces. Baby pink is the shade. It has all lining here. This is handloom cotton. This is handloom cotton. It has all stripes here. And this is the beautiful katha work here. This all. A beautiful buta work here, katha work. This will be the bell sleeves. So the whole kurta has this brown linings here. Katha work. And these will be the sleeves. Bell sleeves. So a different piece. The daman also has this same buta. Same work on the daman. Handwork. 52 size nahi hai ma'am. COD nahi hai. Sorry if I'm missing out all the comments because I need to show so many pieces to you guys. So this will be the daman. Okay. So this is the whole suit and a handloom cotton pant with it. Handloom cotton pant. This is the contrast. Price is only 1095. Size M to XXL. M is 38. So we have 38 to 44 in this. 1095. Beautiful kurta set. You can take the screenshots. Okay. Beautiful kurta set. 1095 only. Green bandhej suit. Okay, I'll show you again, ma'am. Sorry if I've missed out on any comments. Hello Ashwini ji. 3XL किसी एक दो डिज़ाइन में आएगा मैम सिर्फ. So this is the bandhej piece. The ones who want it can take a screenshot. This is the green bandhej piece. And a mask with it also. Okay. Now the most demanding kurta set of ours, the best selling kurta set is here. We have restocked it. So this is a pure cotton kurta set. Beautiful handwork and gota work on the yoke. This will be the lace here. We have sold lots and lots of pieces of this and it is still on demand. And this is the floral pant with the same lace here at the bottom. Same lace at the bottom, and this will be the sleeves. This will be the sleeves. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Poonam ji. So this is the sleeve. 1050 will be the price for this. Size only which is now available is 40, 42 and 46. 40, 42 and 46. So the ones who wanted this kurta set can quickly book it on 8800988288. Okay, this is the kurta set. 1050 plus shipping. 40, 42 and 46 size available. Now again a very different design, all Jaipuri print, a very beautiful design. This is all gota work on yoke, very subtle shade here. This is the beautiful print on it. This is the sleeve. This will be the sleeves. Beautiful shade. Now the sides of the kurta also has the same gota detailing. These will be the sides of the kurta, and the daman also has the same gota detailing. So beautiful, beautiful kurta here. This one. The pant is on pure cotton hand block. It's a pure cotton hand block pant. a wide one, actually you can call it a plazo. It's a plazo with the same lace here and gota detailing. This is pure cotton, pure hand block. Okay, so this is the wide plazo and a beautiful hand block mull cotton dupatta. This is on mull cotton and this is the hand block on it. This is mull cotton dupatta. Beautiful print, very subtle shade, 3-piece set with plazo. Price for this 1400. Only 1400 is the price. 38 to 46 available. 38 to 46. You can take the screenshots. 38 to 46. Ma'am, number 8800988288 if you want to book now. And one more number we have 9999714077. So in any number you can make your bookings. 1438 to 46 will be the price for that. Now one more exclusive piece. Again pure muslin suit. Okay, very different shade, grey shade with a base of with a touch of wine on it, wine shade. Base is grey. This is the different yoke. Krishna ji 8800988288. Hello Gautami ji. So this is a pure muslin piece. This is the beautiful yoke here. Everyone please stay tuned for beautiful anarkalis also. We have beautiful shades of anarkalis. So stay tuned for that also. So this is a pure muslin piece. This is the handwork on the yoke. This is a beautiful yoke here. The tassels. Thank you Sandhya ji. This is Monica from Ethnic BFFs. This is a beautiful handwork of thread and zari work and the whole yoke. I hope the work is clear to you. This will be the sleeve. Okay. A very different Lehriya kind of a printed bottom. This will be the bottom. Bottom is also again on muslin. This is also on muslin. Okay, and the bottom also has this gota detailing. Very different and classy piece. And please look at the handloom cotton dupatta. Handloom cotton dupatta. I hope all the fabric and shades are clear to you. Thank you Kavita ji. Okay ma'am, धीरे धीरे बोलते हैं. Number 8800988288. ये एक नंबर है हमारा. And और एक नंबर है 9999714077. No margins ma'am. Thank you Rashmi ji. So a beautiful wine shade handloom cotton dupatta. A piece on pure muslin. Very different shade. Price for this is 1695. 1695. You can take the screenshot. 38 to 44 size available. 38 to 44. 1695. Ethnic BFFs is our page name on Facebook. Now one more piece, 3-piece set again. This is basically an anarkali set. Anarkali set. Okay. Please check the gota work on the neck and small buttas of thread work on the yoke. This is the yoke. Okay. Thank you Shirin ji. Okay, so this is the anarkali set. This will be the sleeves. This will be the beautiful sleeve. Very beautiful contrast given here. Gota detailing, and this will be the bottom. This is the bottom of it. Now the bottom also has the same print at the bottom, at the lower end of the bottom. Okay, so this is the piece. It is actually a wide pant. You can call it a plazo. It's a plazo anarkali set. And please check the full size cotton dupatta. This will be the exact size. Mal cotton dupatta with this gota lining. Beautiful print. Very, very designer piece. Just check out the back of it. This is the back. It has a keyhole here. Very classy piece. This is the piece and the plazo. So again a 3-piece set, and it has full flare. Extremely flary. The bottom has this. So it has this slit here, but actually the flare is much to give it an anarkali look. It has these tassels on the sides. This is the whole piece. Beautiful combination. This will be the dupatta and the plazo. You can take the screenshots. This is for $16.95. 1695 for this. 1695. Sizes will be 38 to 44. 1695. Beautiful anarkali set with plazo. Okay. Now coming to hello Poonam ji. Thank you Annapurni ji. Actually we want to explain it so that you have no doubts at all regarding the pieces. Now this is again an anarkali set. Please take a look. A piece on mustard. Pure hand block again. Pure hand block on the whole anarkali. This is the thread work here. Thread work and sequence work. And here also it is gota lining, thread work and sequence work on the yoke. Beautiful different shade. Hello Pratishtha ji, is it blurred? Hello everyone, is it blurred? Is the video blurred? Can someone clarify if it is blurred or it is clear? No. Okay, thank you ma'am. So this is a piece on pure cotton. This will be the sleeves. This is the sleeve. It has all katha work and gold print. Katha work and gold print. Thank you everyone. Thank you guys. Okay, so this is an anarkali piece. Please check the flare. Vishal? Vishal? Okay. Please check the flare of it. It is very, very flary piece. A very, very flary piece. Very beautiful flare. Okay. Extremely beautiful flare. And this will be the daman. The daman also has gota linings here. Okay. This is the beautiful anarkali piece. 1450 will be the price. 1450. 38 to 44. 38 to 44. 1450 will be the price for this. Okay. Now one more beautiful anarkali. One more beautiful anarkali piece. Baby pink. The ones who are asking for baby pink. It's baby pink color. Beautiful thread work here on the yoke. This is all pearl work. This is cotton lurex on the yoke. Cotton lurex. And these will be the sleeves with beautiful tassels and gota. Okay. So this will be, the sleeves also has the same cotton lurex work. Beautiful piece. Please see the yoke here, multicolored thread work here, and the sleeves. This is the matching mask with it. And again, please check the beautiful flare. Now this also has a very wide flare. A very wide flare. Okay. Size M to XXL. 1450 will be the price again. The previous anarkali was also 1450. This one again is 1450. M to XXL will be the sizes. M 36 to 38 also you can book for M size. So 36 to 42, like 38 people also can book. Actually the bus size is 37 and a half. So we are taking on the safer side, we are saying 36. Okay, M is 36 in this, so we have till 42. We have till 42. Okay, one more shade we have in that, the pink one which we showed you. Little bit different designing. This anarkali is on sky blue. थैंक यू रजन जी. मैम कॉटन ऑफिस वेयर हमने दिखाए हैं, आप प्लीज वीडियो यू कैन गो थ्रू इट अगेन. सो दिस विल बी द योक. दिस विल बी द वेरी डिफरेंट गोटा वर्क and thread work here. This is pearl. This is all pearl here. So it has a very different yoke, and the whole fabric has this silver cotton lurex. The whole fabric is this cotton lurex. Okay, it is not just simple cotton. The whole sleeves has this and gota detailing. Okay, so very different piece, a touch of shimmer to it. This will be the sleeve and obviously a matching mask with it. Full flare like the pink one. This also has beautiful flare. Again, sizes are same, M to XXL. M 36 people can book M size in this. 36. 1450 again is the price. 1450 again, full flare. This also is a very flary piece on sky blue. 1350. थैंक यू मैम. नेम है हमारा एथनिक BFFs. एथनिक ETHNIC एथनिक BFFs. एथनिक BFFs हमारा ब्रांड नेम है. फेसबुक इंस्टा सब पे हैं हम. यू कैन फॉलो अस so that you can get regular updates on that. FB page name is Ethnic BFFs. Ethnic BFFs. Okay, and this is a very classy piece coming here on cotton. Very classy piece. This is the yoke here. This is all gold print and gota detailing. इफ़ यू वुड हैव सीन आवर पोस्टर्स जो हमने डाले थे, पोस्टर्स आज के लाइव के लिए, उसमें यही पीस दिखाया था हमने. सो दिस इज़ द गोल्डन टच हियर ऑल ओवर द कुर्ता. इट हैज़ दिस टच ऑन द योक, सॉरी ऑन द योक. दिस विल बी द बटन पैटर्न. दिस इज द बटन पैटर्न. इट इज़ एन अनारकली पीस. वेरी रिच taste, color. This is the daman with the same lace and gota. Same lace and gota. This will be the sleeve. Kind of ajrak print is here on the sleeve, and this is all golden touch on it. Okay, this is all golden touch on it. So this is the piece. Please check the bottom of it. This will be the bottom. It is a very premium cotton. It feels like muslin actually when you hold it. So it's a very premium cotton. This is the pant. And a full size dupatta. This is the dupatta. Same ajrak print lace and this golden work, golden print all over the dupatta. Okay, very classy piece. Matching mask with the same this golden touch. Okay, so you can take the screenshots. It's a 3-piece anarkali set. 1950 is the price. M to XXL. Now M in this is 40 bust size. Please order accordingly. M is 40 bust size in this particular design. It's a 3-piece anarkali set. Okay, a 3-piece anarkali set. Ma'am, this is 40 size. Like M in this is 40 bust size. Anarkali piece. Very rich taste. Thank you, Rajan ji. Thank you so much. Now we are running out of time, so we are left with we'll just show you 2 more designs and we'll wrap up because we just have 3 to 4 minutes left. Now this is the piece which I am wearing. It is a 2-layered piece, if you can see. Now first layer is this. The second layer is this. The second layer has all this gold print on it. Gold print on it. This is the daman. It has beautiful, beautiful flare. Beautiful flare. Extremely flary piece. This. So it's a 2-layered piece. This is the sleeve. The sleeve also has this gold print. COD is not available, ma'am. This will be the sleeve. Beautiful yoke with the same print, button so that you can wear it easily, and this tassel here. Okay, so this is the whole piece. It's an anarkali set, 2-layered anarkali set on gold print. Price is again 1450. 1450. Very, very premium pieces and reasonable range. Size 38 to 44. M to XXL is available. M is 38 in this. So M to XXL is available. 38 to 44. 1450 will be the price. Now one more office wear for the ones who are asking if we have office wear. We have shown kurta sets on ajrak, on pure cotton. So you can obviously wear it for office wear. And thank you Archana ji. Blue one का range है मैम 1950. Thank you Kirti ji. 1950 is the range for the blue anarkali 3-piece set. Now this is a piece again on cotton. This is also perfect for office wear. This is a multicolored thread design pattern here. These are all katha work, the thread work linings here on the yoke, if it is clear to you. This is the button pattern. Now the sleeves also has the same multicolor thread bootas. Multicolor thread bootas here. Okay. FB नेम है मैम, हम FB पे नेम लिख देते हैं, Ethnic BFFs. This is our name. Okay. So this is again a beautiful piece. This is also an anarkali pattern. Anarkali pattern. The daman has this multicolored thread embroidery. Multicolored thread embroidery on the daman. And this lace, a different lace here. Printed lace, and same matching with the lace is the bottom. This is the bottom. So 2-piece set, anarkali pattern kurta. This is the pant. This is an anarkali pattern kurta. It has all thread work here on the daman. This is all thread work. only 1150. 1150 will be the price. M to double XL, 38 to 44 size available in this. 38 to 44, M to double XL, like it is mentioned M here. So bust size for this is 38 to 44 we have measured. Please order accordingly. Full flary piece, thread work on the daman also. This is the pant. 1150 is the price. 38 to 44. Ma'am, full image, how do I show you? If it is clear, this will be the full dress. If you want, you can WhatsApp us. We also have a photo shoot of it so that it will be clear to you. For some pieces we have photo shoot images so that we can show you. For the others, you can book now, and we are out of time for now. Yeah, back one. Exactly. Thank you for reminding. I just forgot to show you this. This is also pure cotton piece. Pure cotton. This is the yoke with katha work and thread work. Okay, this is a band collar here. Band collar. Button pattern. This is the whole print. And grey print here. This is the bottom. Thank you for reminding. Thank you for reminding Archana ji. Thank you so much. And this is the pant with it. It's on print here. And a very, very different print at the lower part of the bottom. Okay. Thank you, Minyal. Thank you for helping me out. So this is the bottom. And a full size cotton dupatta. A full size cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. Beautiful dupatta with it. Okay. This is the beautiful cotton dupatta. Price for this is only 1250. Only 1250, 38 to 44. This is the printed. The whole bottom is printed like this. And this is the lower part of the bottom. So beautiful 3-piece set. Very, very affordable. 1250 is the price. 1250. A pure cotton piece. 38 to 44 size available in this. Okay, 38 to 44. मैम ब्लू कलर भी हमने काफ़ी दिखाए हैं. आप प्लीज़ जस्ट टेक अ लुक. अनारकली में भी दिखाए हैं, कॉटन कुर्ता में भी दिखाए हैं. सो ब्लू वी हैव शोन अ लॉट ऑफ पीसेस. यू कैन गो थ्रू आवर वीडियो अगेन. एंड since we are running out of time, we'll have to leave for now. Thank you so much for joining, everyone. And please take screenshots and WhatsApp us whatever you like. And the one who pays first, obviously we have to book the pieces for them. So I hope you all understand. Sizes हमने बहुत clearly बताए हैं आपको. So please check your sizes carefully and then place your orders. Till then, please take care of yourself, your family members, your friends. Thank you, Minial ji. Bye. So take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. And definitely we are planning to come live more often. जल्दी आएंगे और बहुत अच्छे डिज़ाइंस आपको दिखाएंगे. Thank you. See you soon again, guys. Bye.